Hey, Joseph here from Guru Immigration. If you have completed a diploma in Canada and you are now getting a PGWP refusal that says your program was non-credit, stop scrolling because this video is exactly for you. Right now, hundreds of graduates, many of them Indian students who paid thousands of dollars and years of their lives into these programs, are opening near identical refusal letters. Same wording, same reason, and most of them had no idea this was coming. I'm going to break down exactly what changed, why it's happening, and what your real options are. This video is for general guidance only. Always confirm your specific situation with a licensed immigration consultant or lawyer or IRCC. Let's get into it. What actually changed? On June 24th, 2026, IRCC quietly updated its PGWP eligibility page. A new line appeared. Graduates of a non-credit program of study are not eligible for a PGWP, with one exception for flight school programs. Here is the part that is making people angry. No regulation was changed. No announcement was made in the Canada Gazette. It just appeared on the website. And within days, refusal letters started landing in people's inboxes, citing that exact new wording for programs they had applied to and completed years earlier. IRCC's official position is that this is not a new rule. It's a clarification of a requirement that always existed. But if that's true, a lot of people are asking the obvious question. Why were students getting approved under these same programs before the summer of 2026 and then suddenly refused after? Let's break this down into 5 things you absolutely need to understand. What non-credit actually means. A non-credit program is coursework that does not count toward a formal credit-bearing credential, even if your college calls it a diploma on the certificate itself. IRCC only recognizes PGWP eligibility for credit-earning programs. The name on your parchment does not decide this. What decides it is how the program was actually registered and delivered internally by the institution. Why Indian students are hit hardest. This wave is centered on programs like business management and administrative professional diplomas delivered through partner campuses in Calgary and Edmonton, under arrangements where one college licenses its curriculum to a different delivery site. The majority of affected students are Indian nationals who enroll believing these were standard PGWP-eligible diplomas. Many paid $15,000 to $35,000 in tuition based on that understanding. The same program, 2 different outcomes. This is the part that is causing the most confusion. Some graduates of the exact same program, from the exact same institution, were approved for their PGWP, often just weeks before others were refused, citing the new non-credit wording. That inconsistency is now at the center of legal challenges and a public petition demanding IRCC pause the refusals and review previously denied files. How to check your own program right now. Don't wait for a refusal letter to find out where you stand. Contact your institution directly and ask, in writing, whether your specific program was registered internally as credit-bearing or non-credit. Don't rely on marketing language from a brochure or website. If you studied through a partner delivery or curriculum licensing arrangement, ask specifically whether that changes your classification. Keep that written confirmation because it may become important evidence later. What to do if you are already refused. You generally have a few possible paths, and which one fits depends entirely on your specific file. Requesting reconsideration with new evidence, applying for judicial review at the federal court, with a strict, short deadlines, so you need to move fast, or exploring a different work permit category while your status is protected. If your legal status is already expired, restoring it is your very first priority before anything else. This is not a do-it-yourself moment. Talk to a licensed immigration consultant or lawyer about your specific file as soon as possible. Look, this situation is moving fast, and it's affecting real people's futures, not just paperwork. If you are currently enrolled in a diploma program, verify your credit status today, not after graduation. If you've already been refused, don't sit on it. Deadlines here are short. Drop your questions in the comments. I read everyone, and I will be covering follow-up developments as this story unfolds. Please share and subscribe for latest update. I'm Joseph. Stay informed, stay protected, and I'll see you in the next video.